Hey there guys, welcome to another video. So in today's video, I wanted to show off something else I got on eBay. So this is my second eBay purchase or delivery this week. So this is a Asus VivoTab Smart. And this was back when we had a bunch of Windows tablets, and all of these were like Windows 8 tablets. So this one actually is a full Windows 8 tablet, so it's not Windows RT, so it actually can do everything that Windows can do. I believe this is still running Windows 8, but I did get a pretty decent deal on it, so I got it for $25. It's got 32 gigs of storage, 2 gigs of RAM, and an Atom processor. And anyway, it actually doesn't look that bad, and another reason I got it was because it actually can use micro USB. So a lot of times whenever I purchase something on eBay, it doesn't include a charger, so I have to kind of either have one on hand or purchase one separately. So this one does not have one, I'm pretty sure, but we'll find out. What also surprised me about this was that they sent it with FedEx, which I really wasn't expecting, but I guess being that it needed to be in a box, that's what they did. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what we got. Alright, so we got the tablet here. Yeah, definitely just the tablet. No charger. And here it is. And it doesn't look too bad, actually. Alright, so there it is. So, yeah, definitely has some chunky bezels, as you can see here. Really thick bezels. But this came out around 2013 or so, so you gotta consider the tablets of the time. So we had like the older style iPad. We had, you know, the thicker, chunkier Android tablets. This is, it's kind of thick, but it's not too bad. So on the front we got little Asus branding. We got a camera. We have the Windows capacitive key. On the back here, we have the Windows 8 Atom inside, Asus. And then, I don't know what that is. I don't know what that's for. We also have a camera and a flash right here. On the top, looks like we have maybe power key? Maybe? We have our, looks like a volume rocker right there. Microphone, 3.5 headset jack. On the bottom, it looks like we have nothing. And see, there's the micro USB, so I can actually charge the thing. Okay, so I just found out what this is on the side. So this is actually you have to click it, and it's a micro SD slot. So you can expand your storage. That's kind of cool. And there you go. So it's looks like a mini HDMI. It's just a strange looking port. So yeah, it doesn't have power, so I'm gonna go ahead and charge it for a little bit, and then I'll come back and see if it works. Alright, so we're back. So I had to put on the charger. It actually turned on. I have no idea how much battery this has left right now, but it had to reset itself. So I'm guessing that when the guy who sold it to me had to reset it. And man, look at how reflective this is. You can see everything. I don't like it. Anyway, so it's definitely on Windows 8. We have the Asus branding right there, asking my display language. We're going to say next. Regional language, we got United States, English, and US. Next. Got license terms. Oh man, is it on original Windows 8? Oh my god. Alright, we're gonna agree. Always read your license terms, guys. You should definitely always read your license terms. Okay, personalized, wireless, all that stuff. Alright. So we got a couple different colors. Which color should we do? Should we do red? Make it pop a little bit. PC name. Asus Tab. We'll just do that. Okay, now we're at our settings here. I'll zoom in a little bit so we can actually see this, because I'm sure you guys can't see that. Alright, so we got Express settings. So we have automatically install important and recommended updates, help protect your PC from unsafe files and websites, do not track, all that good stuff. Yeah. Okay, so now it says it's finalizing settings. I am so sorry about the reflectivity. I can't really do much about that, so you get to see me. Check out the new way to use Windows. Yeah, I'm really curious to see what version it's actually on. After your PC is ready, oh, it's going to give us a little tutorial of how to use it. Swipe in from any edge. You guys remember Windows 8, right? Little charms bar. Alright, so now we're at the home screen, and as you can see, I did not charge it enough. It says battery is low, running at 9%, so hopefully I can show you this real quick and see what version we're on right now. So, oh man, that definitely looks like Windows 8 OG. Alright, so this was your home screen on like a tablet. You also have your desktop right there. And let's see, we got our Wi-Fi, we have our battery, so 9%. And yes, this is actually legit Windows 8, not 8.1. Look at that old Netflix logo. That is crazy. That is absolutely crazy. All right, so let's if you hold down, I guess that's a right click. Yeah. All right, so let's see if our specs are as they are. More details. Performance. So it is an Atom Z2760 at 1.80 gigahertz. We have 2 gigs of 800 megahertz RAM. We have the, oh, it's eMMC. Oh, it's actually 64 gigs. It's not 32. That's pretty nice. Okay. Let's take a look real quick. Will it open? So it's actually 64 gigs. And look at that. We have 34 gigs out of that free. How sad is that? Oh man. So on the desktop, looks like we have Intel graphics, live update from Asus, web storage, sync agent, and as far as our apps here, I just moved something. We have all the traditional apps that come with it. We have Bing, Xbox games. I think that's about all it comes with. I can't really see a list of programs here. So that's kind of interesting. All apps. Okay, there we go. So here's all of our apps. So we have, I want to see if there's any like bloatware stuff on here. Live update, uninstall, web storage sync agent. That's it. Wow, really not a lot of bloat. We do have pin FX2. Wow, that's pretty interesting. And then we have a little start key. Does that work? Okay, that works. So before we go, I just want to check out the camera real quick to see how bad it is or how good it is. Yes. All right, let's see. All right, so there's the front-facing one. Ooh, that's bad. Photos. You guys want to see how bad this is? Let's see. Device. Add a device to see. Do we not have any pictures? Where's my pictures at? All right, so here is the one from the back camera. It didn't even take the way it should have. And then there's the one of me. Looking terrible right there. So yeah. Anyway. Alright, so this has just been a quick video on the Asus Vivo Smart. I believe that's its name. And yeah, so it is an old tablet. It's actually still running its Asus software from 2013 or 2012. So Windows 8, not 8.1. Pretty interesting. Anyway, guys, I may put Windows 10 on this eventually. I don't know. Maybe just to try it. But if you guys have any suggestions for programs or anything I should do with this, let me know. And maybe I'll do it. But yeah, so hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing and a quick look at it. And anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that like button. If you want to see more, subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.